Picking up from where we left off, we're going to go to the next section, which is OR. Let's go and clear our console. We can compare two Boolean values and decide if at least one of them is true. And there are 4 cases to examine. You might have heard these referred to as Boolean tables or truth tables, which usually happens in computer science. But all we have to do is console.log 4 expressions to give ourselves a nice picture of what's going to happen with the OR operator. So in any case where at least one of the operands, which is to say operand, operand, operator, and this operator is a binary operator because it takes 2 operands, which is not to be confused with a, I think it's a unary operator, which would be things like not, because you can just say not and then have 1 operand, whereas with OR, we really need 2. In any case where one of the operands is true, we're going to get true. In any case where none of them are true, we're going to get false. Hit enter, true, 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 because there is a true, at least one, in all of the first 3, and then false for the last one. So we can demonstrate the same idea by a little bit more complicated expression, saving each of the expressions in a variable and then logging them to the console with a message. So if we log these, either are true, true, either are true, false, and we have another bug. Bugs are fun because they give you an opportunity to parse information as carefully as you possibly can, and for this one, it's quite clear. We need to change this last one to either true at 4 because that's the name of the variable for this comparison. We hit enter, and we get true, 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 and either are false for the last one. So we're in good shape for that. Using the OR operator for this challenge is going to be relatively straightforward given the documentation we just sort of developed. We need to decide whether either of them are true, so we can compare those using our OR operator. So we'll create the expression bool1 or bool2, and that's the expression that we're going to return to tell whether either are true. So if either one of these is true, as we just showed, the expression itself is going to evaluate to true. If both of them are false, then we'll return false. So we run the test, and we're in good shape. So we're going to stop this video there, and I'll see you in the next one.